Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to Real Macro Economics and Investing. Welcome to TradingView, YouTube, and my subscribers. How you guys doing? Okay. Special update on cryptos. All right. So let's get started really quickly. One, um, you know, look, there's no one crypto better than another. In the end of the day, all cryptos move together. So if you think you're buying one crypto versus another, that this is somehow better than this one because of some cute story somebody told you and sold you on, it's not true. And you can see that today. Okay, that's number one. Number two, okay, it's not a secret that this was a wave three up. Okay, it's not a secret. Anybody with a chart can see it. And wave threes are typically ending patterns. Okay, as I showed you before, and I'll show it again. All right, back on November 30th, I said, look, Ethereum, I'm taking profits here. See you. Bye bye. Have fun. I wish you all the best. Right? You think it was guessing? No, it's not guessing. Okay, trading, investing is not about guessing. It's about probabilities. It's about risk reward. And if you can assess risk properly and reward and find the key areas, okay, and you know you understand what is going on more or less. When you're right, you'll be really right, and when you're wrong, you won't be that wrong. It's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay wrong. Right? There's a very big difference between those two things. So yeah, there's a method behind the madness why I took my profits November 30th and ran. And there's another reason why I shorted Bitcoin. It wasn't public, obviously. I didn't talk about me selling out of cryptos altogether. Um, but I did, and I did short cryptos. Are cryptos any different than any other market? No. At the end of the day, when they start selling, everybody's selling. Doesn't matter if it's stocks, bonds, commodities, real estate, whatever. Everybody starts selling. So this is why often I hear from the economic crowd of the MMT world, well, we own our own debt. Don't worry about it. I don't know what that means. What do you mean we own our own debt? You think I'm going to hold the bond that is being sold off because I'm patriotic and I'm just going to hold it because I love America? I'm not going to destroy my wealth. I'm going to sell. I'm selling. So don't tell me, well, we own our own debt. No, we don't. Because at the end of the day, we're individuals. And at the end of the day, we have to do what's best for us. So when bonds start selling off, everybody's going to start selling off. I don't care if you're a patriot or not. You can love America all you want. At the end of the day, you're going to do what's best for you and your family. And that's okay. So it's kind of the same thing here. That when investors start selling, they start selling to everyone and anything and everything. So when you learn how to do an analysis of a chart of buyers and sellers, if there's more buyers or more sellers, you can see it on a chart, and you understand the way markets move, right, in waves. And the best part about cryptos is that the waves are very deliberate, right? They're very, very rewarding, okay? And sometimes they're not very rewarding. When they start to go down, they're very persistent in the way they move. So be aware of the way the price action of a chart looks. How does it behave? You know, that's very important. Now, I'm going to tell you, short term, we're probably going to get a bounce to this area. Once you break a trend line, it has a tendency to come back like a magnet to that trend line. Okay, that's the very short term. Does that mean you should go out and buy? No. Does that mean it's going to happen here? No. It can happen here. It can happen here. So don't bottom pick. As I said in my previous video, don't bottom pick. If you're short, take your money and run. If you were lucky enough to short this, you better run for the hills. Take your money and run. And I'll do a shorting video explaining why. It's not the same thing as buying. Bitcoin, persistently down. Okay, down to 35,000. Now, if you remember back here, I said, don't let this scare you. This is gonna pop. Why? Wave one, wave two, wave three. Guess what? I was right. Why was I right? Because I understand the way markets move. And here's Bitcoin. Where is it at? October 3rd, 2021. Next move up. Okay. There it is. Off to the moon it went. 6,000. Uh, there's another one. This one, I honestly did think that this was going to go to 80,000. Didn't quite make it. Okay, but there was a good chance. I thought wave three would have been more thrusty. Okay, instead it rolled over. Fair enough. I was out. I actually shorted it. Going back to July 16th of this year or of last year. Okay, look what happened. Okay, don't listen to crypto perma haters. Don't listen to them. Well, you got a very nice double there. Plus, because the price action was 30,000, went to 66. And then I said, get out. And he went right back down. Magic? No, it's not magic. It's risk reward. Ethereum. Okay, look for Ethereum to bounce somewhere to about 2,700. There's about. Tron. Forget it. Right? Remember Tron? Right? Double top. This is going to fall apart. I don't think many people do. But I'll remind you. Classic double top. Okay. But where's the other one? Oh, here it is. Sorry. April 9th, 2021. Classic double top. Look what happens. Ah, oh, no, don't do this to me. Anyway, you know what happened. There's a classic double top. It went down. Okay. Shiba. Same thing. Same thing. This is a false breakout. This is back December 1st. Why do false breakouts matter? They matter because they're telling you something. They're telling you it's not very bullish. Okay. You can't break out and not break out. I don't know if that makes sense, but you know what I'm saying. Okay. You got to break out. Okay. Look where we are today. Look at the chart. Right? This was the second and third false breakouts here. And I kept saying, look, false breakout. Here, here, here. Look where we are today. Magic. No, not magic. Solana. If you loved it at 260, you're going to love it at 94 or 96, wherever it is today. Okay. Dogecoin. Oh, Elon Musk said, don't care what Elon Musk said. Couldn't care less. But Tesla, I don't care about Tesla. Don't be the guy at the casino with the comb over, placing bets all over the place, hoping something hits. I see that on charts, by the way. I see a chart with a whole bunch of arrows on it. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Best thing I could tell you. Because then you're held accountable for what you believe and what your eyes see. Okay. Ripple. Horrible. Litecoin. Horrible. Okay. There's going to be a bounce. It's coming. From where, I don't know. Uh, don't think one crypto is better than the other. Don't think cryptos are any different than stocks or bonds or real estate. Sure, sometimes one outperforms the other, of course. If somebody's running around telling you, oh, look at cryptos, they're not an inflation hedge. Come on. Guess what? Cryptos are up far more than the 7% inflation that we've had. It's false logic. It doesn't make sense for somebody to tell you that cryptos are not an inflation hedge. They are. They are. Don't listen to the memes. Don't listen to social media. Don't listen to the so-called quote-unquote experts that are going to tell you everything about there is to know about blockchain and buy this. And don't listen to that. Don't listen to that. Look at the charts. Understand the economic landscape that we're in. Understand where markets are at. Okay, so um, again, don't be the comb over guy, degenerate gambler placing bets all over the place. When crypto start to move, they move in one direction deliberately, persistently. Don't bottom pick. If you're short, take your profits and run. If you're not short, don't short. Don't short. I hope this video helped you. Uh, at least avoid mistakes. Okay. Short term, there's going to be a bounce sometime, right in here somewhere. I'll put it there again. It's going to happen. Promise you. I just don't know from where. I don't have a crystal ball. Thank you very much. Thank you for the 900 subscribers, by the way. Woo! This is wonderful. I'm glad that people see value in what I do. Again, I'm not sitting here trying to sell anything to anyone. This is my diary. I literally do use this. There's other parts to it, of course, that are private that I don't share publicly, but you get the gist of what I'm doing, and I hope you find it helpful. Thank you again, very, very, very much. Take care, guys, and thank you to TradingView again. Take care and have a great weekend.